Hey everyone, my name is Ashley LeGros. I teach fourth grade in Illinois, and some of you may know me better as Learning with Miss LeGros. And I'm here just to talk to you for a little bit today about thematic units and making them work for you. So thematic units are a way to really engage your students and make things as cross-curricular as possible. So if you're self-contained like me and teach all of the subjects, it's really beneficial to cross them over as much as possible. One of the ways I do this is I tap into my students' interests. For example, last year, my students were really interested in coffee shops. And so what I did is I sat down to brainstorm. I brainstormed, how do I make a coffee shop fit to all of the subjects that I teach? And we made it work. So for ELA, they read a passage about how caffeine affects the body. It dealt with cause and effect in different text structures. We were also working on long division. So I created math problems in a menu that went along with long division. So all you need to do is you really just need to brainstorm and tap into student interests and ask yourself, how can I make what I already need to be doing and make it connect to that theme?